In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to LinkedIn, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. This integration will streamline scheduling directly from your LinkedIn profile, making your communication process smoother and more efficient. To begin, we'll head over to calendly.com. If you're not already familiar, Calendly is a tool that simplifies scheduling by allowing others to book meetings with you based on your availability. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice the login button located at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll need to enter your email address, which will help Calendly identify your account. After typing in your email, click on Continue. Doing this will transition you to the password screen. This is where you'll securely enter your password and again hit Continue. Remember, keeping your password secure is crucial, so avoid sharing it or using easily guessed combinations. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Calendly dashboard, which is essentially your control center for managing meetings and integrations. From here, look for the Integrations and Apps section. This feature is what makes Calendly so versatile, allowing you to connect with various platforms, enhancing its functionality. In the search bar that appears in the Integrations and Apps section, type LinkedIn. Once you do that, you should see LinkedIn messaging pop up. Click on it and you'll be directed to a section where you can download the necessary tools to mesh these platforms together. Click on Download for Chrome, and this action will guide you to a new window, which is the Chrome Web Store. Within the Chrome Web Store, you will need to click on Add to Chrome. Afterwards, you'll also have to confirm this addition by clicking Add to Extension. This process installs the required extension for integrating Calendly with LinkedIn right in your browser, allowing for seamless operation. At this point, your Calendly should be successfully connected to your LinkedIn. This connection will help you send scheduling links directly within your LinkedIn messages, making it easier to organize meetings with your professional network without leaving the platform. Ideally, you are now ready to sign into LinkedIn to verify the integration. Just look for prompts in LinkedIn that guide you through finalizing the setup and ensure everything is running smoothly. By completing these steps, you have not only connected two powerful professional tools, but also saved yourself time and made it simpler for your connections to book time with you effortlessly. This not only enhances productivity, but also reflects your commitment to maintaining efficient communication. Thanks for joining me today, and remember to keep exploring these integrations to maximize your networking potential.